with multiplying, I want you to simplify the radical last. Okay, so whereas in adding and subtracting, we simplified first, when it comes to multiplying, we are simplifying last. Okay, so when I say simplify, I mean ladder take out doubles. Okay, so again, in adding and subtracting, we ladder took out doubles in the beginning. Okay, but in multiplying, you do it in the end. It doesn't really matter. It's not a huge deal whenever you do it. I'm just saying it would make your life easier if you do it in the end. So basically, just follow the steps of the yellow box for multiplying, dividing. Now, watch this. I'm going to go red. Okay, green. I said green. Blue. Black. Red becomes negative 12. Green becomes negative 6 root 2. Blue becomes 20 root 2. And black becomes plus 5 root 4. Okay. Now I want to get in the mindset of multiplying. When you multiply, if you were to do, okay, if you were to do 20, or let's go 2 root 8 times 3 root 6, what you're going to get is 6 root 48. So when you multiply, whatever's inside the root can be different. Okay, that's okay when multiplying. Okay, and that's green and the pink, boom, boom, boom. All right, but when you add, okay, if they were different, 2 root 8 plus 3 root 6, you cannot combine or simplify. Okay, you cannot combine or simplify when adding. But when multiplying is totally okay. Okay, they can be, whatever's inside the root can be different. Okay, so hopefully you guys get what happened over here. Okay, for the green strand, the negative 3 had no root, so you don't need to worry about it. Just multiply negative 3 times 2 and keep the root 2. Same thing with the blue strand. The 4 had no root, so don't worry about it. Just do 5 times 4 and keep the root 2. For the black strand, 5 times 2 is, oh, I already made a mistake. Okay. The black strand is going to be 10 root 4. Yep, that's fine. Then you just multiply it. Let's say it's at 5 root 3, then this would be 10 root 6. That's correct. No, you just always multiply the insides together and then multiply the outsides together. Always, no matter if they're the same or different. Okay? And so now we're going to combine like terms here. And watch this. Let's simplify root 4, by the way. Let's go ahead and simplify root 4. Root 4, okay, I'm going to side hustle this 10 root 4. Okay, let's do a little side hustle. 10 root 4 is equal to 10 times 2. Okay, I hope you guys understand how I went from root 4 to 2. And this becomes 20. Okay, so I'm going to combine the negative 12 and the 20. All right, And now after combining like terms, I'm going to get 8 double underline plus 14 root 2 single underline. Okay? All right. So just in case the underlines are confusing you guys, look at how the yellow combines to 8 and look at how the greens combines to 14 root 2. Okay. I'm going to do one more for you guys. Okay. I'm going to do one more for you guys. I'm going to do B on the top right. Okay. Now let's say we have red, green, blue, black. Again, same deal here. Red becomes 8 root 3. Green becomes plus 20. Blue becomes minus 2 root 9. And black becomes minus 5 root 3. I'm going to side hustle this 2 root 9 right here. Okay, I'm going to side hustle it right there. 2 root 9, I'm going to say negative 2 root 9 is the same as negative 2 root 9 is the same as negative 2 times 3, which is the same as root 6. Excuse me, negative 6. Okay, look at how the pink highlights are equal to each other. Okay, and so I'm going to combine like terms here. The 8 root 3 with the 5 root 3, the 20 with what used to be a negative 2 root 9 now becomes a negative 6. Okay. All right. So now I got yellows. Okay, let me just write the answer first before I start highlighting stuff. Okay, and this equals to, as a single underline, we get 3 root 3 from combining like terms with a single underline. For the double underlines, we get plus 14 for the double underlines. Okay, yellow, yellow, yellow. That's combining like terms, green, green, green. Okay, and that's how you do multiplying. So again, just follow these steps. What we did was distribute. Okay, that's what the colored strands were. Combine like terms, that's what the single double underlines was about. And then you simplify if needed. These don't need simplifying in the end. In the end, you don't need to simplify because the root 3 right here is already a prime number. But let's say this root 3 that I'm hovering over was root 12. Then you have to ladder take out doubles. That's what this simplifying is about. So for these examples, you don't really need to simplify at the end, the ones that I just did. But later on, once you get to this step, you might need to simplify more, which is just ladder take out doubles. Okay, I want you guys to do the green highlighted problems in a little bit. Hang on.